Hey, Promise Team, let's talk about September 2018 promotions. Now remember, just because I'm saying September 2018 does not mean this information is not good for always. I want to talk to you about what you're going to get if you're on Essential Rewards at the 100 PV level, and that is Clove. Now, I'm holding up two bottles here. I'm holding up a regular Clove and I'm holding up a Vitality Clove, which is in the white label, right? There is absolutely no difference between one bottle and the other. I'm just going to talk about them both at the same time. Vitality just simply means that Young Living has chosen to put a white label on every single oil in their line that is deemed generally regarded as safe per the FDA, which means this is safe for internal use. You can put it in a gel cap, you can take supplements, you can bake or cook with it, whatever you want to do, put a drop under the tongue. Anything with a white label in Young Living is safe for doing so. May not always taste good, but it's not going to harm you. Okay, if it's in the regular colored label, that means that it's safe for using for topical and aromatic. And in the case of Clove, it comes in both labels, which means we can use it all three ways. We're going to discuss all the different ways that we can use this wonderful and amazing clove oil. And I'm going to give you a little homework assignment, and that assignment is to go and look up this word. It's the main constituent. Over 85% in clove is called eugenol. E-U-G-E-N-O-L. Do a quick Google search on that. Learn what eugenol is used for and why it is such a prized possession in the medical community, okay? They have been taking eugenol for years and synthesizing it and building upon it and changing the molecular structure of it because of its incredible benefits in so many different fields of medicine, and they are always building products based on eugenol. What we're talking about is going straight to the plant form out of this just steam distillation coming from the clove plant. We're getting 85% eugenol alongside of other incredible constituents like sesquiterpenes, etc. Okay, but I'm going to give you the eugenol homework to go look up what eugenol can do. And remember, in Young Living, we always talk about our essential oils as staying above the wellness line. Okay, it's never my goal to try and diagnose, treat, or prevent disease. So I'm not going to be using disease words, but I am going to tell you the systems that Clove is really good at supporting. And on top of that, you can go look up eugenol and see why. Okay. So here's a really fun fact that history has it that the people of Penang had used clove for centuries, and they were disease-free for centuries until the 16th century when the Dutch traders came and pretty much destroyed all of the clove trees on the Spice Islands. And then all of a sudden they introduced their Dutch diseases and the people started getting sick and had a whole range of health issues, right? But the idea is that they had these incredible spices that kept them healthy and vibrant and strong. And guess what? Clove was their number one go-to, okay? What does clove do? It supports the cardiovascular system, it aids proper digestion, it promotes a strong immune response, it helps support your respiratory system, it is said to stimulate your memory, create a feeling of protection and courage. People have used clove to promote sleep quality. Who doesn't need better quality sleep? And also to encourage incredible dreams, okay? So clove does a lot of things and more than what I just listed. That's just a general overview, okay? It can be a very hot and spicy oil, so when you're applying it topically, you're going to want to use a carrier oil. And of course, if you're just going to put a drop under your tongue, it might be spicy there as well. I recommend if you're going to make gel caps and take it as a supplement, you're probably going to want to add a coconut oil or some other carrier oil so that when it goes into your digestive system, it will also act the same way as a carrier oil does on your skin in terms of diluting the intensity of effect. While not diluting the medicinal qualities. Okay, so when we're talking about vitality, add it to your fall baking, add it to your spices, add it to your Ningxia Red every morning that you're taking for your antioxidant support. Put a drop of water in, put a drop of clove in your water and drink it down. You can use it if you can think of a way to use vitality internally, then you can use it internally, okay? When we're talking about topical and aromatic, again, throw it into your diffuser. It's an incredible thing to start diffusing in your house when it gets to cold and flu season and you feel like little Timmy has gone off to school and brought something home germs that he wants to share with the family. Get your clove going. Put it on the bottom of your feet. Apply clove topically if you have like minor scrapes and injuries to encourage healthy healing. Okay, it might be a little bit spicy, so you can use a carrier oil, but this is a really great power pack oil you can carry around with you. Insect bites, again, to promote comfort for insect bites. Put a drop on your gums. You guys, clove is what they use in dental office, and all kinds of different products are used with eugenol and clove in them, right? So applying clove on your gums, adding a drop to your toothpaste, gargling it in water is gonna really help your gums, especially if you've come from like a rigorous dental treatment or a solid cleaning and you know how your mouth can just feel like needs a little soothing. Clove is what you're gonna want. Add a few drops to your Christmas pine cones or your holiday decorations to get that incredible scent into your house. Rub a drop with some carrier oil into your skin to help the skin in areas where you may need to promote some healing in there. Massage a drop over the chest and over the back to encourage respiratory aid during those times when you need it to help with healthy breathing. Apply it to the VitaFlex points. You guys, clove is a universally beneficial oil all over the body, right? Whether we're using it for our oral hygiene, whether we're using it for our muscles and bones, using it for respiration, using it for our nervous system, using it for pretty much everything. Clove is really powerful. And again, it comes in the Vitality and the topical aromatic line, so you can use it all the ways that an essential oil can be used. And if you really, really love clove, you're going to find even more love of clove and its best friends that are all wrapped up in our Thieves blend. So that is one of the things that you're smelling when you get the Thieves household cleaner or the hand sanitizer or the dish soap or any of those things. It's the power of clove combined with cinnamon and rosemary and lemon that is in our Thieves household line. So clove is a major player in the essential oil world and in the wellness world when you're talking about natural plant products for our health. All right, talk to you guys later.